Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Ensure you're signed into an admin account or have the recovery email/phone available. Once done, open Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options. You need to know whether the account is local or cloud-based because the steps differ slightly. If it's cloud, prepare the second device for verification codes. Click the Reset or Change Password link immediately. This kicks off the verification flow. Make sure to note any on-screen prompts and keep your recovery info handy for the next step. Once you've started the reset, follow the verification flow. Enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. If prompted, answer security questions. After verification, you'll be asked to create a new password. Pick one with 12 or more characters, combining upper/lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. That's more secure and prevents brute force. Make sure to update any saved passwords in browsers or password managers right away, and add or confirm alternate recovery options for future access. Finish by signing out other devices and testing the new password on a fresh sign-in. This ensures synced services update. If you can't log in, use recovery codes or the platform's account recovery form, provide any requested details, and monitor your recovery email. If emails or codes don't arrive, check spam and verify phone carrier delivery. If all else fails, contact support with proof of identity. Finally, store the new password in a password manager so you don't repeat this process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.